In every corner of the world, pilgrims embark on a sacred journey, seeking solace, spiritual connection, and personal transformation. The journey of a lifetime, unveiling the beauty and significance of pilgrimage, is a captivating exploration of this ancient tradition that spans across cultures and religions. We delve into the depths of pilgrimage, uncovering its rich history and the enduring allure it holds for millions of individuals. We will discover that pilgrimage is not merely a physical journey but a profound inner quest, inviting pilgrims to leave behind the familiar and venture into the unknown. As we walk along the hallowed paths of pilgrimage sites, from Santiago de Compostela in Spain to Varanasi in India, we encounter a tapestry of human stories and spiritual devotion. The breathtaking landscapes, awe-inspiring architecture, and vibrant rituals serve as a backdrop for pilgrims to reflect, rejuvenate, and reconnect with their inner selves. Throughout the article, we explore the multifaceted dimensions of pilgrimage. We delve into the historical origins, tracing back to ancient civilizations and religious traditions. We uncover the universal themes of self-discovery, humility, and surrender that pilgrims experience as they navigate physical challenges and confront their inner obstacles. Moreover, we highlight the significance of pilgrimage as a time-honored practice for seekers of different faiths, fostering interfaith dialogue, understanding, and unity. Regardless of one's religious affiliation, pilgrimage serves as a powerful reminder of the shared human longing for meaning, connection, and transcendence. Within these sacred spaces, pilgrims immerse themselves in the rhythm of ancient rituals, joining hands with fellow travelers from diverse backgrounds. The camaraderie formed during pilgrimage often transcends societal boundaries, fostering a sense of community and belonging that extends far beyond the journey itself. The journey of a lifetime takes readers on a captivating exploration of renowned pilgrimage sites, shedding light on their spiritual significance, architectural marvels, and cultural heritage. From the Camino de Santiago to the Hajj, from the Kumbh Mela to the Kumano Kodo, each pilgrimage site has its own unique charm and allure, inviting pilgrims to discover their inner truths and forge an unbreakable bond with the divine. Readers will gain a profound appreciation for the transformative power of pilgrimage. They will understand that pilgrimage is not merely about reaching a destination, it is an introspective odyssey that reveals the vastness of the human spirit and its unyielding quest for transcendence.